So you want the Kobe reverse Grinches for retail. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a pair. And there's even a store getting these that I would never expect to get them. Along with that, Nike may be pulling a little surprise for us. So before we get this video started, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. One random like, one random comment does get a $15 cash app for me. Just comment down below and you may get lucky. So starting off, we have sneakers, which is boring. All you gotta do is hit buy. It's loaded as a Leo. They're dropping on December 15th for $190 in the men's sizes. Now on a Leo, just know this, if your size sells out, you can go back in and enter for another size. That's why I love Leos. Hopefully they don't switch it up to a Dan drop where we have a draw because you can't re-enter for a different size. They're dropping both men's and GS pairs. If you scroll down, you can see all the GS pairs. They're actually dropping for $125. And we know stock was around $250,000 before our exclusive access and shock drop. So I would say we probably have 100-some thousand left to drop on sneakers. Now this can always change. Stock numbers will always be updated for you guys in real time within Kicks. So if you need those, you know how to find those. Now one that's open right now. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and get in the raffle right now. Foot Locker just opened up for both grade school and men's as well. I am not able to enter around my area because my stores didn't get them, but if you're willing to travel, I have a little secret for you. That is right, as you can see right here, you can update your zip code. So say it's like over 100 miles away from you. If you're willing to travel 100 miles to get these, that is dedication. You can do so. Update your zip code for this and make a little road trip to grab them. Yes, this works. You can travel as far as you want, or say you're gonna be in a different state that weekend, maybe traveling, it may work out for you because maybe your state doesn't have them and the state you're going to does. Just know you can switch your zip code. You can pick these up in a different city that you actually live in. Now, moving on to Sho Palace. This is one for all my people that like to put in the footwork. That's right, Sho Palace always does raffles the Tuesday before a big drop. So we'll be expecting them to run the raffle on Tuesday, December 12th. When does this happen? It happens from open to close for Sho Palace. And the reason why we know Sho Palace is getting them is because they're loaded online. They have both men's and GS sizes. Just know this, I would not rely on online drop. This site always gets cooked. We always know when they're getting ready to drop and botters eat it up. So the best way to grab Sho Palace, unfortunately for me, I can't go in, but for you, if you have Sho Palaces, I'd be checking their social medias. I'd be reaching out to their team, maybe calling up, maybe go there this weekend and ask them, hey, are you gonna do Kobe raffles? Because I expect it to go down on Tuesday, and if so, good luck and put in that footwork. Well, as we record this video, Sho Palace did update us. They did post about this. They didn't say anything about their in-store raffle, but I'm telling you this much, they are starting to really talk about it. They will be doing an in-store raffle. Be ready for it. They haven't updated. People are already asking, you doing in-store raffles? You doing in-store raffles? We're gonna see. Be watching Sho Palace, have notifications on, and good luck in store. Now, another one that we do have confirmed is DTLR. I'm sure DTLR will do a raffle. I'm not 100% sure on DTLR because I don't have any around my area. So just do your normal DTLR process. If they do raffles, watch for them. They're gonna drop them online too, but this is another site that just gets cooked off the freaking bone. Now, let's talk about a different style of store. We're gonna talk about your local sneaker boutiques, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do this because it's not hard to find. We're talking outside of Hibbett, outside of JD Sports, outside of Foot Locker, all those. Don't worry, we'll talk about JD Sports here soon, but if you go to your Google Maps, go ahead and type in, all you have to do is type in sneaker store, and you'll see on the map, it's going to show up for me. You'll see them load. You can see we have Stouds, City Gear, all those, but the one I'm really wanting to look for is one I don't know. Like, you know, we got Foot Locker, all these are chain stores. We know what's going on there, but there is one store here that really does stick out, and that'll be Corporate Gotham. Corporate Gotham is one of my local boutiques. Not only this, we also have Hang Time Indy out here in Indianapolis area, but what you can do is, you can go find these online, and you can check their websites. Right now, they currently don't have anything loaded for the Kobe reverse Grinches, but I've been hearing that they're gonna actually get them and they have them in store. Now, could this be wrong? Possibly, but your store, maybe they actually do have them. So figure out where these are. What I recommend you do, follow their website and follow them on Instagram. A lot of times these stores use these big drops to bring more traffic to their Instagram, so it's always good to follow them. And anybody can do this. Just type in sneaker store in your area and find one that's not a chain location. Now, since we're on the topic of boutiques getting these shoes, there are a few raffles open right now and more open each and every day. Of course, we have them all posted for you right in the finds and raffle section within Kicked. So if you need to find all these, we got you. I'm going to mention a couple right here. We have Alma Maniere. Alma Maniere is doing these. I've never hit from them online, but they're doing EQL, so you may hit. You got a feature raffle going down, and there are so many more places actually getting these. And I expect them, like I said, to get more and more stores as we go on. This shoe is going to be everywhere. If you put in that footwork, you're going to be able to grab these. And along with those stores, we have the Better Generation. I know a lot of you guys know the Better Generation. They're actually doing an in-store food drive, or a toy drive is what it is. You can bring in, donate toys, which is awesome. I love when stores do this. Your toy will get you a raffle entry for these shoes. So this is something, if you have a Better Generation around you, you can do that. Just go look up the Better Generation online. It'll give you all the information. And I can even link this down below. Now, a few stores that I've been asked about nonstop. Will JD Sports, will Finish Line, will Hibbett, will Dick's Sporting Goods, will they get these reverse Grinches? I personally don't think they're going to drop on these sites. DSG would have already loaded them. They would have had the raffles going down this weekend. If they do load up, of course, we're going to keep you guys up to date because it is very, very important. But these stores, even though we want it so bad, we want JD to have them, we want Hibbit to have them, we want Dick's Sporting Goods so we can use these discounts, I doubt we actually get them. Now, could I be wrong? Yes, maybe they'll load up, but we're going to keep watching this and monitoring it over the next couple of days. Now, moving on to the site that I would never expect. That's right, a skate shop got these. Out here at Arts and Rec, they are doing raffle entries in California. Now, this has been spreading around the community like crazy. I saw it this morning. Thank you, 510 Resells. I think it was 510 Resells that told me about this. This is going out, and people are going crazy for them. They're promoting it right here. You can see them actually skating in these. So what they will be doing for this is they're going to be doing raffles. That's what it is. You're going to do a pickup raffle each and every day. They say the Nike Kobe 6 Reverse Grinches, Friday, December 15th. One free raffle ticket per person per store. So you go into their stores, you can see where it's going. You have Bar Logan and Chula Vista actually getting these, and it's going to be in-store only. So if you guys are saying, oh, I'm burning the loop online, this and that, no, it's only for the locals that are actually going there, and they've probably already entered this raffle regardless. And finally, the Shopmama site. That is right. You remember last time we got Grinches dropped on here on Christmas Day. That's not what's going to happen here, but we do expect them to be dropping these. That is right, we expect them to drop. This is a Shopify website, so it does pick up within Shopify monitors, so we need to be watching this. This could be quick. If you are actually wanting to hit on the Kobe site, you're going to be so fast. I'm talking, if you don't have a monitor, if you don't have a Shopify monitor, it's going to be very, very hard to hit, because by the time this is posted anywhere, I'm talking anywhere out there, other than Discord groups, when that monitor picks up, it'll probably be sold out. So if you need one of those Shopify monitors, like I said, we got you completely covered and kicked. There's going to be links down below. You don't need those. I'm just telling you, it's another option. It's another tool you can use to help you increase your chances of actually grabbing these Kobe's. And finally, a little something that I'm not going to completely talk about because it hasn't been confirmed, but all I got to say, if you can pick up on this hint, you may want to be checking your Nike in-store monitors. If you have access to Nike in-store monitors, you may want to check those to see if your stores are getting them. What does that mean? Put the dots together. If you haven't already, checked the Nike info we already have posted up. You know it's already been provided to everybody. Shout out to Santana for keeping us locked in. But guys, this Kobe Reverse Grinch drop is about to be insane. I hope this video helped you guys. I want you to put in that footwork. This is the biggest shoe left of the year, and I want to see so many dubs across this community because this is the best community possible. I want to see it, man. Put in that footwork. We're going to succeed. When these drop next week on our live stream, we're going to be giving away cash. We're pulling up money together within the community to give out for Christmas, so it's going to be a lot of fun. Make sure you guys show up to that. If you haven't already, once again, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for a $15 cash app for me. I love you all for real. If you need help with anything, like I said multiple times in this video, the reason why I'm saying it is to get you guys prepared. Kick's got you covered. There's going to be links down below, but that's it for this one. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one. I'm out of here. Peace!